Today we're diving into the professional Coax cable TV video signal amplifier by All About Adapters. This amplifier is designed for serious applications where maintaining a strong and clean TV signal is crucial. It boasts an impressive 50 dB gain, making it suitable for large multi-dwelling units and complex coaxial TV systems. Whether you're dealing with cable outlets, set-top boxes, DTV, or CCTV DVR, this device promises to enhance your signal quality. One of its standout features is the adjustable gain control, which allows precise balancing of your system. This is complemented by tilt control, ensuring that even large CATV systems can be effectively managed without signal degradation. The amplifier supports a wide frequency range from 40 MHz to 860 MHz, catering to both analog and digital Coax channels. In terms of build, the aluminum chassis provides not only durability but also excellent heat dissipation, essential for long-term reliability. It includes an anti-interference module and advanced noise filter to combat signal degradation due to external factors. For troubleshooting ease, there's a -20 dB output-input test port available. Installation-wise, it's straightforward for those familiar with such equipment, though it's important to note it operates on 110 VAC power only. The unit also features built-in protection against high-voltage surges, ensuring peace of mind in storm-prone areas. Overall, the professional Coax cable TV video signal amplifier offers robust performance for enhancing and distributing TV signals over long distances, making it a solid choice for professionals looking to optimize their coaxial setups.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.